Hello everyone, welcome to Chaco's tutorial. Today we are going to learn about digestive system. If you are new to my channel, please press the like button, share button and the subscribe button. So let's come back to the topic, digestive system. What is digestive system? Organs that work together to digest food form the digestive system. Organs that work together to digest the food form the digestive system. We eat different type of food. Those food has to be digested in our body. So, for this process, various parts of the body get involved. Now, the parts of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Of course, at the end we find here anus through which the waste materials are thrown out. The food which we eat may be rice, may be chapati, may be pulses, may be egg. In any food which we eat through the mouth. So, the teeth inside the mouth chew that food. After chewing that food, that goes to the food pipe, and through the food pipe it enters the stomach. In the stomach, this food remains for few hours. After few hours, there is a partial digestion is done in the stomach. Then this food is transferred to a long and narrow tube called small intestine. So, as food passes from the mouth to the small intestine, it breaks down into simple useful substances. The food which we eat from the mouth through the food pipe, it goes to the stomach and then to the small intestine. It breaks down into simple useful substances. So, the process of breaking down of food into simple useful substances that can be used by the body is called digestion. So, this is the definition of digestion, the process of breaking down of the food into simple useful substances that can be used by the body is called digestion. So, the process of digestion is completed in the small intestine. Once the digestion is completed, the useful substances from the digested food enters the blood and are carried to different parts of the body. And from the small intestine, the undigested food goes into the large intestine and is removed through the anus. So, these are the total process of digestion. So, digestion takes place and the useful substances are sent to the blood and carried to different parts of the body, which is used by our body for various functions, like we do studies, we do walking, we do running. For all these purposes, useful substances which is carried by the blood are used, and the undigested food goes into the large intestine and is thrown out through the anus. So this is how the digestion takes place in our body. So once again, just see the parts of the digestive system: mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. All right, hope you are understood this small explanation of the digestive system. Watch this video and try to understand this, and still if you have any doubt you can mention in the comment box. Thank you very much for watching this video.